Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dewi. Today, I would like to tell you a story about the fox and the crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. She was sitting on the branch tree. She had a piece of meat in her beak. Then a hungry fox came there. His mouth started watering when he saw the crow with the meat. Yum, yum. I had some food. I must find a way to get that delicious meat from the crow's beak. But how? Eventually, the fox got a plan. He praised the crow's voice. Hi, Madam Crow. You are the most beautiful bird in the world, as well as your great voice. I want to listen to your lovely voice. Can you sing a song for me? Then the crow opened his beak and started singing. Crow, 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 crow. The meat fell down from the crow's beak. The fox ate the meat and went away happily. Bye-bye, crow. Thank you for the meat. Bye-bye. The crow felt regret of her foolishness. She realized that the fox fooled her. She should not believe in the fox. Okay. The moral value of the story is beware leatherers. They are not to be trusted. I think it's enough for my story.